Let's master Canva shapes in 90 seconds. Let's dive right into it. Click C on your keyboard to add a circle to your design. Now if you want to use a circle, then that's great. But even if you would like to use another shape, then this is still the best way to do it. Why? Because in the top toolbar you can now click on shape and then change your shape to whatever you want. Now the second important thing to understand with Canva shapes is how to delete the fill color in case you would just like to work with the outline of the shape. Here's how you do it. Click on the shape and then in the top toolbar click on the color square. Now under document colors click on the transparency square. All you need to do to see the outline now is to now click here on border style in the top toolbar, and you will see that at the moment no border here is selected. To make the outline appear, simply click on this first option here and the outline will then become visible. If you would like to make the outline thicker, simply increase the border weight. Instead of having a regular line for your shape, you can also change it into a dashed line or even a dotted line. Now, if you would like to do the same, but with another shape, then you can very easily do that by once again clicking here on shape and then simply choose the other shape. And the settings we chose before will then automatically be used for that very new shape as well. If you want to bring the fill color back, simply click here on the transparency square and select your color. If you want to remove the outline again, click on border style in the top toolbar and then either click here on this first symbol or put the border weight here to 0. Now, last but not least, for shapes that don't have rounded corners, simply click on the shape, and there, if you want, you can round the corners by using the corner rounding fader. And that's it, guys. This is all you need to know about Canva shapes. If you did enjoy that video, please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And with that said, hopefully see you very soon in another video. Bye bye.